is grammar important at the beginning?
Yes, grammar is important, but the basic grammars, because if they start with the advanced and complex grammars, then it will be too overwhelming for them and they will feel like they cannot do it. So they should start with basic grammar so they can step up.
Okay, exactly. So people should start from the very beginning. They should start slow. Like, all the advanced learner, if they try to learn everything, all the advanced things, all the complicated grammar, then it will create a pressure, and at the end of the day, nothing will improve, right? Okay, great. You're a brilliant student. Come on. Anyway, so should learners think in their native language first?
Not always. They should try to think directly in English, because then they will learn faster and speak fluently. Your native language is good, but don't always try to learn. Don't always translate the English to your native language, because then you will have a problem, and if you hear any English sentence, you have to translate it and you cannot speak faster.
Okay, so like people should first of all try to learn native, but they will try to, increase their boundaries and go for like British or American skills, like this kind of things. Are you saying that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.